Becoming a millionaire often seems like a faraway dream, which only happens to the very lucky. However, I will share a not-so-well-kept secret. Becoming a millionaire in Canada has actually never been easier. Hi, my name is Alex Langevin, and today I will show you how you can leverage the current Canadian investment vehicles to become a millionaire by the time you retire. In Canada, there are two main saving plans through which you can gain a tax advantage: the TFSA, Tax-Free Savings Account, and the RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan. While in this video, we will not dive any further into the specifics of these two types of saving accounts, you will simply need to understand this. The TFSA currently allows you to contribute $6,000 per year. You do not get any tax deduction when you contribute money into the TFSA, but you do not pay any taxes when you withdraw money. The RRSP allows you to contribute up to 18% of your salary per year, subject to an annual limit, of course. You do get a tax deduction that will reduce your taxable income and your tax when you contribute, but your withdrawals will be taxed as income when you take money out. To keep it simple, we will not take inflation into consideration in our numbers and assumptions. Inflation definitely complicates things, but that's a video for another day. Let's say you start working at 22 years old. Every year, you contribute the $6,000 yearly maximum to your TFSA, and you then invest that money in a pooled fund or an ETF up to your last contribution when you are 65 years old. Even though you only contributed $264,000, assuming that your investment performance is 5.5% per year, your TFSA will now be worth over $1 million. That is the magic of compound interest, which I explained in more detail in a previous video, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's say that in addition to your TFSA contributions, you are able to contribute the same amount of $6,000 per year in your RRSP as well. Combined with your TFSA, you will have contributed $528,000. How does $500,000 become $1 million? Once again, that's all thanks to the power of compound interest. By making regular contributions, you only need an annual return of 3% per year to grow your contributions of $528,000 and to retire as a millionaire. For those who have watched my video explaining how investment income is taxed in Canada, you can understand how powerful the TFSA and RRSP are, since they allow you to avoid or defer paying a huge amount of taxes. If you have not watched it already, I strongly encourage you to check it out. Retiring with $1 million in the bank is easier than you think. With a long time frame and consistent saving, regular Canadians can easily become millionaires. Start early and maximize your contributions into Canada's TFSA and RRSP every year, so you can make the most of compound interest and grow your wealth over time. So, who wants to be a millionaire? For more investment-related topics, visit our website at claret.ca or get in touch with me directly by clicking on the links in the description. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button below.